9:27 on the 22nd of July, and it's a Monday, and this is the lightning storm over Stenson Fields. As you can see between the two houses, it is pure purple lightning. Did you just see that on fucking film? Oh my god.
I'm looking out the window, that's why.
See, it's not too bad 'cause it's not at night. I'm not scared at the moment.
Sure, it's only lightning.
Can you not say my name, please? Here we go. The wind's picking up. The wind is picking the fuck up.
Right, well, I'm right behind you.
Look
so.
between the house.
I know which house. I saw the one when I was upstairs.
Proper thought lightning, proper purple and all.
Do you know what would be awesome is, you know, if it does that sound,
no,
you know,
not
as
right
it comes
now.
out. My drinks.
This is just pure. It's just pure lightning. Ooh. It's so hot out here and all still. But it's pretty awesome outside, you know. You can't even fucking see it though. You have to see it between the houses. You know what I mean?
Or you have to be, I don't know, high up.